Imagine a kitchen where every item has its place, where clutter is a thing of the past. Welcome to the art of decluttering. Start by tackling one category at a time. Glassware, pantry items, spices, cookware, small appliances, you name it. Assess the necessity of each item. Does it spark joy or is it just collecting dust? If it's the latter, it might be time to say goodbye. Organize efficiently. Group similar items together, use clear storage containers for easy visibility, and remember, less is more. In this journey towards a clutter-free kitchen, you'll find that you're not merely organizing a space, but also saving time and money. The reward? A kitchen that's a joy to cook in and a space that truly feels like your own. And don't worry, you're not alone in this. CulinaryCrossover.com has a free declutter checklist to guide you along. So why wait? Embrace the art of decluttering today. And remember, if this video has been helpful, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and visit CulinaryCrossover.com for more. Here's to a clutter-free life, one kitchen at a time.